Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through some hidden iPhone features you didn't know about. So let's get started. Firstly, open the clock app on your mobile device. Then simply go to the timer by tapping on the timer option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can simply tap on the radar option available there, and at the bottom you can say stop playing. You can set a timer to automatically stop playing music, podcasts, or videos at a specific time, perfect for bedtime listening. Now, the other one is you can set timer from the control center as well. You can simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen, and there you can see a simple clock emoji option available there. Now all you have to do is long press on that clock emoji. Now drag down the control center, long press on it, and here you can see there is a timer option available. You can choose it according to your preferences and tap on the start option available and your timer will start. Now for another one, simply go to the Safari app on your mobile device. Now in Safari, simply tap on the AA option available in the top left corner of your screen, or it can also be in the bottom left. After you tap on the AA option, a drop down menu will appear on your screen. From there you can see website settings option available. Simply tap on the website settings, and once you tap on the website settings you can see use reader automatically option available. Simply toggle it on and it will not show you any ad on this website. Now for the other one, go to the Photos app and simply tap on the any photo. Now the best feature of the iPhone is you can tap on the edit option available in the top right corner and you can save a copy of your edit on your phone. If you are out for the edit, or if you want to edit some pictures but if you want to keep the real one as well, then you can simply copy the edited version and save it on your phone. So in order to do that, tap on the edit option available, then simply edit your videos or photos, or else you cannot save it, the original one. So now all you have to do is simply go to the effects or filters and try it. Now tap on the three dot again and there you can see copy option available. Tap on it and now you can go to the bottom of the photo page and paste your photo there. Then all you have to do is go back to the home screen of your iPhone. Now in home screen, long press on the any app and make them jiggle. So here I'm not saying that this is some special feature that you can jiggle the app, but when you jiggle the app you can see the three dot option available in the bottom. Tap on it. When you see the three dot options or two dots, so when you tap on it you can simply hide the entire screen of your iPhone. If you don't want anyone to see it, then simply tap on it and tap on the done option available in the top right corner and you can hide a whole screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.